Everything here came out of one foam photo of a whiteboard. The product shot, the 3D spin, the slide. Let me show you how. It took about 3 minutes. Some meetings still end on a whiteboard. Most of them end in a transcript now. Either way, somebody has to turn that mess into something the rest of the team can actually use. So this handles both. I opened Anti-Gravity and just described it. Drop in a photo, Gemini 3.7 Flash reads it and pulls out the decisions. And who owns what? Nano Banana cleans it up into a real diagram, and it all lands on one slide. Hit enter, and a few minutes later, there's a working app server already running. And this is our Nitro cold brew board. Nitro's kind of the ice cream machine of coffee. Great until the gas runs out, so that's what all the notes are about. Drop the photo in. 3 seconds later, the decisions, what's still open, and a name next to every piece. Nobody typed a word of that. Then it redraws the whole thing. Same words, same decisions, just laid out so you can read it in a glance. And since the board was about a physical thing, it gives you a first look at the kiosk rendered and spinning. Not the finished product, just enough to get the idea off a napkin. And in front of people who can react to it. One more click to present it, and that's the slide in front of leadership before the coffee's even cold. And for the meetings that happen on a call, paste the transcript in, and it draws a one-page sketch note of what was said, so whoever missed it catches up in about 10 seconds. One small idea. Anti-Gravity builds pretty much anything you can describe, so hopefully this sparks one of yours.